first.
Okay.
Get out there.
3.
Intaking. Intaking. Sweep it back. Drop some more what you have. Yep.
How much should I pass?
Good. Get off the bump. Drop it. All right. Right steel. Pass a little bit. Time for your hopper when you're done. Steel. Sweep it back. Go ahead. Bring it back. All the way. Drop some what you have.
4, 3, 2,
All right, shoot.
1. I'm gonna go off and get that one.
Yep, go. It's fine. Bring it back. And you have a huge tunnel right here. Keep shooting what you have. Tower after. Okay. Right at our feet. Intake it.
Beautiful. 3, 2, 1.
All right, come up underneath your hub. Get it. And pass it.
Red holding.
Pass.
Lots close red hub.
Red hub again.
Here we go. Beautiful.
Go over there, bump it. Go back, yes. Over there, bump it. Go. Sweep it. Keep the neutral zone. Get a full hopper. All right, come back.
Tons back.
Come back.
It's majority our side.
Hit our twin player on their wings.
Yeah, sweep here if you can.
Go, shoot. You still have enough to intake and shoot another cycle here.
Okay.
Right at our feet, all the way to human player. Yep. Slide. Good, now shoot it.
6,
Got someone from the tower.
4, 3.
Shoot it what you have. Shoot it.
More end game.
All right. We got to go clean up again, middle. Intake under their hub. Keep moving.
Our mobile is like really bad right now.
Okay.
Beautiful. Keep it coming.
Coming.
Our index really not working.
Okay. Feed Isaac. Keep beating. Up against the wall and sweep.
We're good.
Up against the wall and sweep.
I'm gonna shoot these bricks and then I'll fix it.
Go. You got more time. Keep moving. All right, shoot what you have. That's okay.
Look at that scoreboard. Yeah, it's like the rack is kind of weird.
Yeah, I know. I think we can.
Yeah, I'll figure it out.